Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now,
oh my God!
So one of the main reasons I wanted to come to Dollar Tree is because I saw Graveyard Girl do a follow me around Dollar Tree, and they had these blind boxes, and one of them was Family Guy. So I am picking up a bunch of those. They also have these kinds, Dragon Ball Z, and I don't know what that is, but they have that too. They have Shopkins, 2 different kinds of Shopkins. These are so cute. Mini Dollar Tree haul. First, couple things. Ignore this. It always does this when it's light outside. Secondly, ignore this. This is actually not a pimple. It's a cyst from the skin condition, chronic skin disorder, disease that I have. That's not... Okay, you guys know about that. Well, some of you do. Most of you do. And what else I was gonna say? Oh yeah, I don't have any makeup on except for mascara, a little light liner, and my brows, which look janked by now. Me and Mama Blaize went to Dollar Tree. We got a whole bunch of Christmas stuff that I'm not gonna show in this video. We basically just got things to, like, tags and stuff like that, and wrapping paper, and we got a few little trinket gifts for, like, the people in our lives, like the delivery men and the doctors and nurses that we're close to, just as a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, here's something for you. What I got, they had a couple of different designs, but you guys know, animal print. These are really cute little throw pillows. So those are going straight on my bed. I got 2 of those. They're very cheap feeling, but they're just decorative pillows. Then I got this Wet n Wild dual pencil sharpener because I need a bigger one, because I do. Let's see. Okay. One of the main reasons I wanted to go to Dollar Tree is I watched yesterday, as this is being filmed, yesterday Graveyard Girl did a follow me around Dollar Tree, and they had in her Dollar Tree all these different blind bags from different cartoons, like Shopkins, Family Guy, other things I don't know, like superhero stuff, Marvel stuff, things like that. And I was like, I really want to get those Family Guy ones. I wish my Dollar Tree was as cool as Bunny's, but it's not. But they did have them, so I picked up 5 or 6 of these to do in a video, and I picked up one for my sister as a stocking stuffer since we both love Family Guy. So I will go into more detail about that in a different video. I bought this for another video, my favorite, the original super glue, Fix All Adhesive. I got that super glue and pencils, very metallic, cool looking pencils. This and this is for a video, and a very crazy video, so get used to it. No, get ready for it. Then I picked up some makeup for another video. I'm going to be testing out all new arrivals from Dollar Tree makeup. So I got as much as I could. Then I had to, because she was out, and she's been out for like a week and a half, and she's just so sad. I had to pick up my kitty's favorite treats and her favorite flavors. This is the Temptations Mix-Up Surfer's Delight, tuna, shrimp, and salmon flavored. She is going to go insane. Is that it? Is that everything? Oh wait, I got this 30 pack of like elastic head pin, like it's not like the swirly ones that like I use all the time. It's like just elastic hair ties. I always can use these. We picked up some tape. It's in this bag for wrapping gifts. Is that everything I got? Oh, there's another makeup item in here. I think that's everything that I picked up besides all the Christmas stuff. So And Mama Blaize and I went to 7-Eleven to get some hot chocolates, and we have our own stuff here. I've got this Ready Whip fat-free, and Mama Blaize's almond milk. Is that it? Okay. And we got some of these kind of healthier for you, but mini marshmallows, which I've had a few, and they addictive AF. Okay, so my mom's present is the only present that still hasn't gotten in yet, but I can show you my dad's and my sister's presents from me, since they don't watch my videos. Well, my sister watches some of them, but I'll tell her not to watch this one. So my sister, basically, she's always freezing. She's freezing nonstop, and especially in her hands. And I saw a few months back, and I tagged her in it, this like these gloves that you hook up to your USB, and it'll warm your hands while you're on the laptop, which she said she wanted really bad. I looked all over for them, found some, and they were terrible reviews, and the ones that were good reviews were hella expensive. So I've also seen these. It's an Energy Flux Hef rechargeable hand warmer, external battery pack LED flashlight. So she doesn't need the flashlight, but I got it in cherry pink because she likes pink. Basically, this is just like a little machine that you can hold in your hands. You can put it on a sore soft spot in your body, and it generates heat that way. So she can hold this in her hands when she's cold. So I got her that. And from my dad, this is not pro or anti, this is just funny. I do not discuss politics on this channel because I it's just something I won't do because I'm not gonna have anything started. But this is from my dad right here. This is my main gift to him, simply from me. So we've got a funny Donald Trump right there, and it says, "You are a great, great dad. Very special, very handsome, really terrific. Everyone agrees." As soon as I saw this shirt, I was like, add to bag, purchase it, because he's going to absolutely flip over that. Okay, first gifts are officially wrapped for this year. I'm gonna go and put them under the tree. So it's December 18th, and I'm just realizing I haven't really shown you guys many decorations. So this is in our upstairs hallway next to my mom's room. We kind of wanted to do a snowman theme and a random Christmas tree. But yeah, this is probably my favorite because it looks so vintage and antique, but I also love that this looks like an ornament, but it's a sign. So that's what's in the hallway next to my mom's room. These are the decorations in Mama Blaize's room. So we have a really cute candy cane right there. I picked that out. She picked the other color out that you'll see. We got this cute little Christmas tree. There's the other candy cane that's green and red. And and we have that friendly elf and reindeer, and my Mama Blaize, she put them up, and we noticed it looks like he has hunted for some game and decapitated a reindeer, and he's smiling about it. He's a psychopath.
It's like Mama Blaize's sixth sense of humor.
It is Mama Blaize's sixth sense of humor. But that's what's in Mama Blaize's room. Oh, also over here, we have Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. I have that same one in my room. All is calm, all is bright, all is not calm. But I have that in my room as well. That random Let's Stay Home, that's not Christmassy. But then we have It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year over here. So that's Mama Blaize's room. So in my room, you guys have seen this. That's that really cheap little crappy wreath, but I love it anyway. That we got most of these decorations at Dollar Tree. Then we got my Sants right there. Then over here we got another Santa. I kind of did a Santa theme-ish kind of thing in my room because I love Santa. Hail Santa. Here is the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas sign like in Mama Blaize's room. And we got the Ho 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 sign right here. So that's what's like behind my TV. I would say the Nightmare Before Christmas pillow is a decoration, but it's up all year there. So we have my Christmas tree that you guys set up with me. I'm so excited. I put the really, really gorgeous angel wings, rose gold glittery angel wings here because I didn't want to put it on the tree. I love it so much. It's my favorite ornament of all time. And then we have the all is calm, all is bright sign there. Oh, we also have right here a Nightmare Before Christmas little necklace. That's what it's called. Good thinking, brain. The masterpiece pretty much of the house is the fireplace area. So we have, these were supposed to go outside, but the ground is way too frozen solid for us to actually penetrate the ground. So we just kind of kept them here. Just cute little things. And we got a sign of snowman saying baby it's cold outside. Hashtag save baby it's cold outside. Then Santa Claus is coming to town and bring on the joy. So then we have on the mantle, my subscriber and friend Jen sent me this, I believe. We've got some beautiful decor. This is my sister's elf and her stocking hanger, and this is her stocking, which already has some stuff in it that I put in there. That Santa's actually a tree topper, but we have a star for a tree topper. We want to keep them here. We got a festive plate in the background. We've got our menorah because heritage is important. We've got some cute little Santas. Here's my, that girl again named Kaylee that, you know, likes to pop up. Whoever she is, she's got a cool name. So mine is Joy, as my sister's is Peace, because I'm joyful, my sister's quiet. And here's my stocking. Of course, it's leopard print. Then we got these at King Soopers. You'll see the rest of them. My mother fell in love with them, and so did I. They are so, so pretty. I'll show you the other ones. And that kitty cat is also from my friend Jen. Then we just have a couple signs. It says warm wishes, season's greetings, and let it snow up here. Then all around we have colored lights that my father put around the whole entire fireplace. So let's take a seat and show. My mom got this at King Soopers too, which is a local grocery store. I don't know if you guys have one. It just says have yourself a merry little Christmas. So these, I don't want to touch them because my mother will flip. These are the things she found at King Soopers that were just like magical. Look at how antique and beautiful these look. So, so pretty. And we got this guy right here who actually has names on his list. Where are they? Yeah, there's actual names on here. Logan is on there. Then we have our little Christmas village. We've gotten these from thrift shops and Dollar Tree. So we've got some pretty little things. This one's actually an Asian Santa. I believe it's a Chinese Santa. I think that's super cool. We got that at the thrift store. We got most of these at the thrift store. We got some nutcrackers back there, and some pretty arrangement of some sort. So really nice. And we got these are like my favorites besides these guys right here are the antique Santas we got at the thrift shop. So we've got this one with a bunch of good tidings and cheer and food in his hand. We got this one who's on a pony, which was the first one I was drawn to, and he's got a little tiny bag of toys on his back. Really, really, really cute. Then we have this funny looking Santa who's just got tons of crap around him. I don't really know what he's doing. But yeah, so that is our fireplace mantle. Then over here by the vanity type thing, we have Merry Christmas here and Let It Snow. We got this jingly, barely jingly Santa. We got this at the thrift store as well the last time we went. Very vintage Santa. We've got a Frosty and Santa little dishes, but this has our push pins in it right now. We've got Hermie the bobblehead. This is really, really cute. This is an ornament that is also a music box, and it moves. I love this. I hate that person who it is from, but so we also found this. I found this at the thrift store, and my mom had to buy it. It lights up, and it's just a snowy little like Santa's cottage. And we got the Star of David again, represent. And we've got, I put up the 3 reindeer here, the glittery reindeers that are so, so pretty. Over here we just have a random sleigh and penguin. So they're chilling. And just a little bit in the dining room, we have another Santa and Frosty. I actually made this myself, handmade, last year, and I put it in a vlog. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I meant for it to be a headdress at first, but it just turned into a centerpiece. So I really love that. I made all of that with Dollar Tree stuff and hot glue gun. Then we just have this tinsel-y kind of green and red Christmas tree. I couldn't think of what it was for a second. Last but certainly not least, we have our 7-foot pre-lit Christmas tree. I love it so, so much. So my favorite ornaments are the little Santa's heads, again from Dollar Tree, but they look vintage, don't they? Each one of them has a different colored hat. So we got 3 of them on the tree. This guy's a new addition that we got this year. And this one is Michael's ornament that I've had since Christmas 2015. Right after he died, I put a note in there because you can open it up. So that's Michael's. And I actually made this last year. Me and my sister made our own ornaments last year for our craft, Christmas craft. This year she wants to make slime. So we got Cartman and Clyde Frog. And where's Kyle and Mr. Henke? Here they are. There they are. They're always the first to go up. So we also have like just, our themes always for the past few years have been like red, black, and silver. That's pretty much been the theme. And when you are walking into the kitchen, we have this sign up. It says, Jingle bells, white Christmas, ho ho ho, hang stockings, oh holy night, trim the tree, and joy to the world. So I think that's all. Oh, no, it's not. These solar little characters, because you guys know my mother loves these characters. We have them for fall, spring, summer, winter. So that's what we've got on our windowsill. So I'm gonna end this Vlogmas now. I didn't even know like it was as long as it already is. I hope you guys find these interesting. If you want more if you want more volume, if you want more Vlogmases, give me a thumbs up, let me know, and don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. It's almost Christmas and it's coming too soon, and Alright, I love you guys. Stay wicked.
Ho, ho, ho!